Here's the issue with memorizing math instead of understanding it. I was Googling the definition of a hypotenuse, and it is the longest side of a triangle that's opposite the right angle. Okay, I was remembering the phrase SOHCAHTOA that we were taught in school. So sine equals the opposite over hypotenuse, that cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and that tangent equals opposite over adjacent. And suddenly it clicked. I'm like, wait a minute. SOHCAHTOA, right, includes the hypotenuse. And a hypotenuse is defined specifically based on the right angle of a right triangle. And I was like, wait a minute. That means we can only use SOHCAHTOA on right triangles? I thought SOHCAHTOA was like the entire trigonometry of triangles. Like, we can only use it on a right triangle. You give me another triangle, you can't use SOHCAHTOA. I'm sure there's like other ways to do trigonometry on other triangles. Clearly I don't remember it, which, okay, is fine. I have to go relearn it again, but like, just me? Is it just me? How, like, did I just randomly forget that like SOHCAHTOA was just for right triangles? Like, it blew my mind. Like, I thought for all triangles, and I'm like, wait, hypotenuse, what? Anyway, it blew my mind, and clearly I would like to relearn trigonometry via a route of understanding rather than memorizing, because I memorized it just fine. I memorized SOHCAHTOA. I could tell you SOHCAHTOA. But clearly, if you give me any other triangle than a right triangle, I'm like, well, I don't remember how any of this actually works to apply it to something else. I mean, I think there's like ratios and things or whatever, but like, if there's no hypotenuse in a triangle, right, because there's no right angle, then like, how do you define there's like, how else do you do sine and cosine, and like, how do you anyway, yeah, that's what blew my mind today.